Hello guys, today I'm going to be changing the reservoir, coolant reservoir on a X5. Pretty easy, very simple. Okay, this is our coolant reservoir. First thing you want to do is make sure your car is cool. So then you can open the reservoir cap, because if it's hot it will have pressure in there. So to drain the coolant, the radiator has a drain plug on the radiator. It's like this corner. You need a Phillips screwdriver and drain it. I don't need to drain it because my reservoir is empty. Only two nuts, 10mm nuts, are holding this reservoir, and it has three coolant holes. One on side, one on here, one on this over here, and one at the bottom. Down here, this one. And to open it, I just found this. You don't need any special tools. You can just find some pick or something. Goes inside here. Bring it up. That's it. Comes up. Unlocks. That's what you do for all of them. And then pull it to remove the hose. So you want to remove the hose before you disconnect the. Before you loosen these bolts, because then reservoir, it's still, it's not moving. So you gotta do same thing for this one. Just pick it up, open the lock by just pulling it up. Same thing for the bottom, and then pull it. And also it has a sensor at the bottom of the reservoir. Once you open the nuts, you can see the sensor. The sensor is for the whenever it's low on the coolant, it will trigger a light on your dash. It will say that your coolant is low. So just disconnect that, and those three hoses. The other one is right here. So 1, 2, and 3, and 2 nuts. That's it. Very simple. Reservoir is out. Now we're gonna put the new one in. Before tightening the nuts, we're gonna connect the lower hose and the connector for that sensor. It goes down here, and then we're gonna put the nuts on here and then do the rest of it. When you're connecting the hoses, it goes in one way. You see this part here, it's the face up. Make sure it goes in fully. And then press down, it locks. Same thing on this side. Right here, goes in. Push it in fully. There you go, all the way in, and then lock. Now it's locked. Both locked. That's it. 3 hoses. Add coolant and bleed it. That's how you change the reservoir. Simple.